I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Tuesday, February 18th, turned out to be the warmest day so far this year. The high temperatures went from 69 in Miami to 84 degrees in Hollis. The majority of the state fell into the mid-70s. That's a big leap from our bitter cold earlier this month. The warmer temperatures are speeding up plant and insect development. The soil heat units for wheat first hollow stem through Tuesday showed more bright colors on early first hollow stem varieties. Scouting for first hollow stem on early varieties needs to begin when 576 soil heat units have been reached. How fast will first hollow stem progress? By next Wednesday, most of the areas south of Interstate 40 are projected to be far enough along to scout, the yellow areas on the projected first hollow stem map. Alfalfa weevil are also responding to our warmer days. A map of alfalfa weevil heat units is showing a lot of color. Scouting for alfalfa weevil should begin when 150 degree day heat units have been reached. On this map, that would be the red and brown colored areas. Our soils are slowly warming up too. The 3-day soil temperature average from Sunday through Tuesday showed most of the state in the mid-40s at 4 inches under bare soil. A 30-day rainfall map through Wednesday shows a lot of blue, but that only means very low rainfall amounts. Most of the state comes in below a ½ inch. The lack of rain really hits home on our percent of normal rainfall map from January 20th through February 18th. The majority of the state comes in at less than 40% of normal, the bright orange areas. In the red areas, they had less than 20% of their normal rainfall. These low rainfall amounts have prompted more counties to announce burn bans. As of February 19th, there were 12 counties with burn bans scattered across the state. Wednesday afternoon provided a good example of how fire danger goes up when dead grass dries out. On a map of 1-hour dead fuel moisture, we can see a big difference between the south central and southeast areas colored green, ranging from 20 to 40% moisture, and the much drier reddish areas across the state, coming in at 5 to 10% moisture. Comparing that to a map of the burning index at 1 in the afternoon showed very low fire danger in south central and southeastern parts of the state, corresponding to the higher dead fuel moisture, while those drier areas in the north and western portions of the state, the orange and red colored areas, had much higher fire danger levels. Hopefully we'll see some good rain soon to finish out grain fill on our winter crops and get our spring crops and pastures off to a great start. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.